Hello, New York. I always want to say that. So first off, I want to introduce Shannon. She's in the back. She's a former iTunes engineer, and she'll be driving tonight for our demo. She's also a partner here at GeoRiot. I'm Jesse Lakes, CEO, co-founder of GeoRiot. And before we dive too far, I just want to give you a little bit of background about who I am in particular and just kind of what we're up to. So back in 2009, I wrote the first book about the iTunes affiliate program. Shortly after publishing that book, iTunes got wind of it. And I spent the last couple of years working for iTunes as their first global product manager of the iTunes affiliate program. So we're going to talk a lot about iTunes and their affiliate program this evening. After spending a couple of years there, I saw this problem that was really continuing to grow and wasn't going away. And I thought I had a better solution to it. So I said goodbye to my friends at Cupertino and struck out and pushed hard on GeoRiot. So just real quick with a show of hands, who here has some sort of product for sale inside the App Store or iTunes? We have labels itself. Okay. And I was hoping for a few more, but that's a good start. Who knows anything about the affiliate program? Does anyone know? Okay, yeah, the affiliate program. You use referral links. Those referral links earn you commission. Perfect. So since we have a limited number, I'm assuming there's only a small people that are actually using the affiliate program for link share. Probably a fewer number that's actually using the affiliate program in trade double or commissions in Europe or Latin America. Okay, perfect. We're going to dive into that, so stay tuned. So iTunes, it's a global brand. Everyone's heard of it. Everyone knows it pretty well. But iTunes, even though it's a global brand, it's set up of 155 different specific country storefronts. So you think of iTunes, you think of the store that you just log on to, but each one has a different store. And that's due to a couple different problems, or different reasons. It may be digital distribution issues, it may be legal licensing and so forth. But each of those 155 different stores can only sell to people that live in those countries. So living here in the US, you probably have a US-based credit card. You can likely only purchase from the US store. Someone in Canada, again, the Canada store. So 155 different stores, 63 of those have a music store, 45 of those have an affiliate program. So it's a very geographically fragmented ecosystem. And there's two specific problems that have to deal with the iTunes ecosystem. First of all, every store, the links in those stores are really specific to that store. So a link for a product may not necessarily work for someone in another country. On top of that, you have these affiliate programs we just mentioned. Those affiliate programs are managed by multiple affiliate networks. Those affiliate networks have their own proprietary tracking. And again, those affiliate networks, the programs may specifically only specifically sell or earn you commissions for sales in a country. So the link share program only earns commissions in the US. Trade Delaware only earns commissions in Europe, so forth and so on. So this causes two problems. First of all, it's a user experience issue. Someone international comes and clicks on a link, they may not get to the item they're looking for. It's very likely they're going to actually see an error. And second, if you're using the affiliate program not only for tracking, but as a secondary revenue model, you're probably running into some issues. So what GeoRiot does is we solve those specific issues. We make sure that one link works internationally. We make sure that any affiliate linking works as well. You're able to leverage multiple affiliate programs at the same time. So you not only earn commissions in the US, but you can earn commissions through other 45 programs that we talked about. So let's real quick hop to a demo. So we're going to take Adele, for example. Adele has the 21 album. Since we're in the US, we're going to take a link from the UK and just kind of quickly explain, or quickly show what happens when you click on an international link and that link doesn't work. We find that these links don't work anywhere from 60 to 80% of the time, so it's a pretty common use case. Of course, us being in the US, we don't really see this because the US is typically one of the larger markets. So go ahead, Shannon. So click on that link. It's a UK link. Boom, dead end experience. So a lot of international users are getting exactly that error where it's, you can't go forward, you're stopped. You can't buy, it's a bad user experience. That's exactly the problem that we're trying to solve. So if we jump real quick back to our keynote. So we want to know how bad this experience is. So we see between 60 and 80% of the time, links in the top 300 from iTunes don't work internationally. We're going to take this Adele link we just looked at. We're going to check it across all the different countries. So we're going to run through 155 different countries real quick just to see where it does and does not work. So we built this tool called the availability tool. It's cruising through right now. And everything that shows up in gray is countries where that link does not work. So it looks like Australia, a few different countries in Europe, New Zealand. Yeah, nothing much in Latin America, nothing in North America. All of Asia's out as well. So that link will only work in 7 of the 63 iTunes countries around the world. That's pretty bad odds. If you tweeted out that link, it's a good possibility that a lot of the people that are following you are going to end up with that error message. It's a dead-end experience. So GeoRiot, our service, we take that same Adele link, we GeoRiot-ify that link, we make sure it now works internationally, we make sure it now leverages all the affiliate programs. Go ahead, Sharon. So all that you just saw in the browser bar, very quick, that's where our demo was. Sorry, I went by so quickly. But the end result is exactly what we do want to show off. It ends up with the link you want to see. The affiliate parameters were passed. Any purchase that happens here over the next 72 hours will be affiliated. You'll be earning commissions. So again, there's two different things that GeoRiot just solved in the blink of the eye. One, made sure the user experience was perfect across the board. Anyone in the world, when they click that link, they're going to get to their local iTunes store. They're going to get to the content they were looking for. Second, you're leveraging multiple affiliate programs at the same time, so you're not leaving commissions on the table. And finally, when we solve those two problems, we're able to provide a third solution as well. That third solution is bringing together metrics and reporting that you can't find elsewhere. We can give you not only link trends, but global information, as well as aggregate together all your sales and commissions, provide just one snapshot. So instead of having to leverage multiple affiliate networks to get the information, it's in one place. So it's likely a problem you never knew existed, but it's a very real problem. Typically, our clients will double their affiliate commissions, they'll double their revenue by being more efficient with their affiliation and sending the users to the right onto the right store. So on that note, we have a couple of clients in the crowd, so if I run out of time to answer questions, you're welcome to know as well. But can I open the floor to any questions about this problem you didn't know existed? Boom.
Is it just with the iTunes affiliate program, or does it work with Amazon or other services as well?
Excellent question. So Amazon has the exact same problem. So iTunes, 155 storefronts, 45 different affiliate programs. Amazon has 9 different storefronts and 9 different affiliate programs. Again, one link doesn't necessarily work across the board. Our service doesn't yet support Amazon. In the very near future, we will be. We're hoping to roll it out by the holidays. We'll see if that happens, but definitely in the first quarter of 2013, we'll be solving that problem across the board there too.
What are you doing about the data?
It's a great question. It's just taking up gigs and gigs of storage. So first of all, we're reporting back to our clients. Our clients are able to see a lot of this information. We've got just a wide variety of reports and so forth to kind of help them gauge the bigger picture. This album's blowing up in this country, or this is happening there. Sales and commission data is now starting to flow in as well. So on top of that, we can really provide some great information about what your earnings per click or some trends and so forth. Ultimately, though, we'd like to be able to help iTunes and Amazon learn where to go next and help our clients also know what's important and what's kind of trending at the same time. So all that information is there. It's we're a small team at the moment, and we're definitely going to do more with it in the near future. So the company's based out of Seattle. We've been here on the East Coast, though, for the last 8 months. So yeah, a lot of Skype.
Can you give an example of one of your typical clients and how they use your service? Why do you need it?
Absolutely, that's a great question. In fact, that's probably something I was supposed to cover. So our clients, it's a wide range of clients. We work with a bunch of different music labels, both indie and major. We work with app developers. We work with advertising networks. Really work across the board. The typical client is typically someone that knows the affiliate program or has heard rumors that the affiliate program can be a great revenue source for something they're already doing. They're already linking to iTunes because they have some sort of content inside the store. So they're linking there. Maybe they've heard about link sharing or using the US program. But they understand there's a bigger picture. They understand that not only is the store's fragmented and their content may be under a different Atom ID in a different country, but then they get the general gist, and then we'll start working with them. We'll get them signed up for multiple affiliate programs. We'll switch those links over, and it kind of opens up a whole new realm. So honestly, we work with such a range of people. It's hard to give you the quintessential, but it's anyone that links to iTunes is a potential client and should be at least using the affiliate program, if not using our service for a global disbursement. So great question. Yeah.
So could an artist hypothetically make an album sale and get an affiliate commission at the same time?
That's a good question as well. So yeah, as a content provider, you're entitled to your approximately 70% from iTunes. The affiliate commission, which ranges between 4% and 5%, that's taken out of Apple's chunk of the change. So you're absolutely right that you can earn both a commission and your royalties on any sale. And the affiliate program, for those that are not familiar with it, it's a 4 or 5% commission, but it's also over 72 hours. So it may not be that item that you initially link to, or maybe anything else. So if you click on an affiliate link to a track, and you go on to buy that album, and you go on to buy another album and a movie in the next couple of days, you're going to earn commissions on everything from that 72 hours, and that really starts to add up. A nickel for a song isn't much, but you need good record store knows how to keep tacking on sales and sales and sales. So. What else we got? Great questions so far. Yeah, one more.
How do you compare with Smart URL?
Good question. So Smart URL is probably our closest competitor. Smart URL does essentially takes the globalization aspect, but we're fundamentally different on two grounds. First of all, essentially they just geo-target and regurgitate. They take a link, figure out where the link's coming from, and then provide back the link that you told to begin with. So, yeah, spent a lot of time setting it up. It works. Awesome. We're stoked for it. Our service is very fundamentally different. For every link, we do 3 different steps. We geo-target, we translate, and we encode. So you only have to provide us one link. The setup time is much easier. We also, since we translate and encode on every single click-through, we can make sure that the link is current. So with Smart URL, if you created a link 6 months ago and that link has now disappeared because it got re-indexed or whatever it may be, that link is going to die. Our stuff is always current. And also, and the second part here is that we're very focused on the affiliate side of things. We understand the affiliate program is very important as a revenue source. Smart URL, if you throw in an affiliate link, great, it'll honor it. But we make sure that affiliate link is always used. So we're making sure that we maximize your revenue on that side as well.
All right.
Cool.
Time's up, but thank you. Thanks, Jesse. Okay, so yeah, next up we have Jeremiah from. Great job, by the way.
Thank you.
Jeremiah from Brewbug.
Good luck. It's working.